everyone, my name is Megan Ellsworth here at the FRSA Soundstage, sponsored by Beacon, and I am so excited. This is our last interview of the day, of the show, and I have EverRoof here, Will Lorenz and Todd. I'm so excited to be chatting with you gentlemen, so hello.
Likewise. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Well, why don't we just start out by introducing each other. So Todd, why don't you go first? Tell us a little bit about you.
Sure, you bet. My name is Todd Farr. I'm the National Sales Manager for EverRoof.
Amazing.
And we produce silicone, acrylic, urethane, primers, mastics. We're very excited about the Florida market. We're planting our flag. We've got some large projects going on. We've done some large projects.
That's awesome.
And we're excited to continue the momentum.
Yeah, that's awesome. So many products that you guys have.
Yes.
It's amazing. The variety and the range is so important, I think, to contractors. So, Will, who are you and what do you do?
Well, I'm a manufacturer. I'm president of General Coatings and EverRoof, and glad to have Todd part of our team and our leadership here. And you know, we're very excited about what the opportunities are with all these metal roofs and all these flat roofs that, you know, are excellent opportunities for restoration systems that EverRoof has as a great portfolio, and the distribution that we're building now in Florida to be able to service the contractors. So it was a great show, and just kind of glad to be here.
Awesome. Yeah, kind of going off that, how was the show for you all? What were people asking about? What were they interested in?
Sure, it was fantastic, actually.
Good,
so,
good.
you know, Florida is an amazing market.
It is.
A lot of folks doing fluid restoration products, and a lot of you know, folks that are new to it as well, and they're looking for additional opportunities to serve their clients. So. This show is just unbelievable for us.
That's great. Yeah. Will, how about you?
We saw a lot of traffic day one. You know, right away we were busy. Interested contractors learning to get educated about brands and products, and wanting to know how they can expand their business and finding the right partners. And so the conversations were good. We developed a full list of people for us to follow up with, and
that's great.
Had great conversations with our distributional partners. So just overall a great success for us.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's amazing. So what are people looking for when they come up to the booth? What questions are they asking, and what are they excited about?
Sure, yeah. How quickly can I get the product? You know, our product's so good, they want to know, how quickly can I get it?
That's a great question. That's awesome. Yeah. And so people are excited about it.
Yes, they are.
That's fabulous. Awesome. Okay, so I would love to hear a little bit about the Florida market, more about the Florida market, because you're this region, you manage this region.
Yes,
so how are things going in that timeline that people are asking about?
Actually, you know, very good. We've got a group that just finished a large project down in South Beach. So you know, we have things going on all over the state. You know, projects have been completed all over the state. There's more to come. We're getting distribution dialed in, so we're excited about that.
Awesome.
And yeah, there's just a lot of opportunity out there.
That's great. That's great. So why do you all come to FRSA, and what's the importance of being a part of this market and a part of this association?
Well, I would say that, first of all, they're the leader organization down here representing the roofers. It's not just the metal side and that, it's all roofing products, and you know, they put on a great show. They're very attentive to exhibitors and contractors, to giving them a great experience and getting that conversation going, so people get an opportunity to learn and figure out what partnerships they want to build. And for us, as you know, primarily a Midwest and California-based operation, you know, we're expanding east where there's, you know, need and opportunity, and you know, it's a very open and welcoming environment, and we're, you know, just glad to be a part of an organization that is attentive to what the requirements are in Florida, and we're glad they're taking leadership in a lot of the key issues with regard to roofing issues that, you know, maybe going on with the insurance and so forth that need to be kind of get addressed. And we think that roof coatings are a great solution for many of those things, and glad to be partnered with them.
Yeah. Kind of going off of insurance and restoration, what are you seeing in Florida with all that?
Sure. So this
commotion?
This is a large restoration market.
Yeah.
So, you know, historically it's been a very large restoration market, a lot of residential roofers, a lot of commercial roofers, and we're excited to serve both groups.
Awesome.
Because we can just add another service offering to those residential roofers that are used to mainly sticking with the insurance restoration work, but their client may say, hey, do you do commercial roofs? Absolutely.
Yeah.
And so we have a fantastic service offering for that group as well.
Oh, great.
So we feel like we can serve both segments of the market very well.
Amazing, amazing. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much. What else? Is there anything else you want people to know that's coming up that General Coatings or EverRoof is a part of?
Well, first of all, we're very involved on a national level now, more with NRCA and also with the Roofing Alliance. We're new members with them as with RoofersCoffeeShop, and we're glad to be partnering there to try and help bring education and also support for the next generations to do the right thing and get involved in a great career in roofing, and so we're just really happy to be a part of that, and kind of looking forward to getting together with hopefully you folks in July at the NRCA meetings, and
yes.
Keep promoting the benefits of good roofing practices and silicone or acrylic restoration opportunities with EverRoof. So
absolutely, absolutely. And the next video you'll see we have a drawing for a free class at Clemson, the Roofing 101, I believe.
Yes.
So we'll be back with that class. I'm going to have Todd here drawing the winner. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Megan.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah, I'll see you in a little bit.
And we'll see you soon too. Make sure to stay tuned. And